Well, a new business is opening soon on the Bolivar Peninsula reminds us tonight that some don't always have access to immediate medical attention. Fox 4's Kara Dixon was on the peninsula and is back tonight in the studio with us. Kara, what's opening up there?
Greg, physician's assistant Bruce Mitchell says it's been years since there's been a health clinic on Bolivar Peninsula. The one he's opening under the Winnie Community Hospital will provide medical attention to more than 3,000 permanent residents. A new business on the Bolivar Peninsula is creating a lot of buzz.
The whole town's talking about it, so everybody's excited.
It's not a restaurant, bar, or retail store, but a healthcare clinic.
They're ready. I expect to be flooded for the first month or two.
The Winnie Community Hospital created outreach clinics to reach those who don't have quick access to healthcare providers.
The first one's going to be out here to Crystal Beach because there's nothing else out here as far as healthcare goes.
That clinic is going to be led by physician's assistant Bruce Mitchell. Mitchell has practiced on and off on the peninsula for more than 20 years.
I retired in October on a Monday, and they called me on Tuesday and said they want to put the clinic in.
Mitchell says many of the clinics that went up on the Bolivar in years past didn't last more than 6 months.
Everything was tourist, and they'd forget about the people who live here permanently.
He says the clinic is needed because the 3,000 residents always have to travel to visit doctors or emergency rooms. The closest ones are in Galveston.
It's only 12 miles away, but then you've got to take the ferry.
Crystal Hill, who lives in Port Bolivar, says the clinic is just what the town needs because traveling can become a hassle.
If you miss the ferry, you got to wait for the next one, and then probably sometimes like 2 hours, sometimes less.
Then going east, and the next closest place is Winnie Community Hospital, and that's 36, 40 miles away. It's nice to be able to have it taken care of without having to travel so far.
And Mitchell is also looking forward to opening his doors again.
We'll be busy.
Mitchell says he did run a clinic out of his homes for several years following Hurricane Ike. He says the new health clinic should open sometime next week. Live in the studio, Kara Dixon, Fox 4 News.
Thank you, Kara.